Hi, I'm Carl with Apt, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Rowenta Aqua Perfect Humidifier model HU5230U0. On the front you're going to find a display with all the controls. There's a power button to turn the unit on and off, a button to select one of 3 humidity settings: Auto Comfort, Control, or Continuous, which I will explain here. Auto Comfort adapts the humidity to an optimal setting based on the room's temperature. Control allows you to set the humidity in the room anywhere from 45 to 90%, and Continuous will run the humidifier until the room reaches 90% humidity or until the water tank is empty. In Continuous, once the room drops back below 80%, it'll start back up again until it gets back to 90%. There's a button to control the mist volume, which can be set at any one of 3 speeds, but will only operate in the Control or Continuous mode. There's a button for setting the Shutoff Timer anywhere from 1 to 12 hours. There's one to turn on the warm mist feature, and the last one controls the night mode. Now, turning on the night mode is going to turn off the tank light, and it stops the beeping noise that occurs when you press the buttons. This particular unit also comes with a remote for easy operation from across the room. The tank's volume is 1.6 gallons. It has a maximum operating time of up to 30 hours depending on how much mist it's putting out, and its highest operating decibel level is 40, which means it's extremely quiet. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and if you still have any questions, please feel free to call in and speak with one of our experts.